So hi guys, I do the n55 engines rebuild. So the guy brought me, the dealer brought me the n55 engine with the 55k miles, which had rod bearing span. Also, I unscrewed a few of the caps. It has scoring on the journals, the day camshaft. Yeah, the engine is in very good condition. No carbon deposits here. So the guy was changing the oil, but it died because of this solenoid. So here is my second project. Also, I bought the core in order to rebuild. So it's as usual. I have rod bearing span. Yeah, here's, as you can see, rod bearing span. The bearings welded to the crankshaft. Yeah, so the crankshaft will be fixed or replaced. We'll see. Brand new. We will install new connecting rod balls. We will replace the piston rings from Germany. Install this very good company. Kolben Schmidt bearings. Engine head bolts will be L-ring. Yeah. Actually, yeah, this we'll see if we have here Kolben Schmidt, because originally the BMW installed the Kolben Schmidt. We'll see if it's Kolben Schmidt or not. No, it's not Kolben Schmidt, it's another company. I forgot. It's not Kolben Schmidt. Maybe that's why. Yeah, it goes in the garbage. Brand new head gaskets, L-ring. Yeah, this engine is completely rebuilt. It's ready for swap. Yeah, I built this engine for the customer, but it didn't appear. For some reason here I have two used n55 engines. They don't have rod bearing span, but I will overhaul them. Yeah, and I will lock this stupid solenoid. This solenoid is the cause, is control the oil pressure in the system. So if it goes bad, you will have rod bearing span. There is no chance to run that engine with the lock with the bad solenoid. Yeah, also the oil pump needs to be checked. I will take the oil pump apart and see if it has scoring. I will do this. I will polish the surface and I will check the all mechanisms inside and replace it if it's bad. If it's good, also I will do the resurfacing and it will be good. Also the vacuum pump needs to be tested, checked. I will take it apart. Usually after, because of this low pressure, you will have scoring in the oil pump, so in the vacuum pump, so you need to check the vacuum pump. Yeah, and yeah, this is very important. You need to take one of the caps on the journal and see the condition of the intake camshaft. So it has, I unscrew a few of them, and it has very bad, very big scoring. So I'm gonna show you now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you now in what condition it is. Give me a second. So guys, every time when you do the n55 engine rebuild, or you have rod bearing span, you need to unscrew. You need to unscrew this stuff. As you can see, the condition is horrible. It is bad, very bad. Very bad. It is serious problem. It has serious problem. I'm gonna show you how it should look, at least with the 100,000 miles. It should look like this, guys. It should look like this because of this stupid solenoid. You have here this problem. 55k miles, 100k miles. So this engine didn't have rod bearing span. It's good, but this 55 rod bearing span, and you have also low pressure in whole system. So whole system in the engine needs to be checked, guys.